Good morning, afternoon, how are you doing? Liquorice Wine has been brewing and it's ready to be tested. It's looking fantastic. It's sparkly, it's golden, it's bright, it's clear, it's looking fantastic it is. So all I really need to do now is put it into a bottle and it's ready to be tested. So join me for a glass of Liquorice Wine and we'll see how it's turned out. It's looking divine, delicious, gorgeous. So come on then, let's pour a glass or two. I just love the colour of it. It's so golden. It's not the colour I thought licorice would be. I thought it'd be much darker and murkier, but it's fantastic. It's glowing. It's delicious. Anyway, on to the important thing. I love my licorice, I do. And I was hoping this wine really captures the Bassett's licorice flavour in a glass. And I think the poster was hoping for as well, but let's try it. To be honest, it's very dry with that sweet undertone to it. The licorice jumps out at you at the very last moment as it goes down your throat. It coats your throat with that lovely licoricey, tasty, fantastic flavour. But the initial mouthful is very dry, but the initial taste is very wine-like? Normal wine, like a grape wine, followed by that licorice burst at the back. To be honest, I think it needs a bit more body at the start. So if I was to do this recipe again, I would probably add a carrier flavour for the initial burst of flavour. The licorice is there, nicely so. But it lacks a bit at the start. I really like this wine. I'm pleased I made up 2 gallons worth because, well, since I bottled this is my 4th bottle I've worked my way through. It could well do with a few more months in the demijohn just to mature and finish out even more. So that's the plan for the next demijohn, is before I bottle it and give it to the postie, I'm going to let it stand for another 3, 4, 6 months just to finish off. It is definitely a wine I will make again. Absolutely so. The flavour's good, the texture, the colour, the shine is all brilliant. The aroma is sweet and gentle. As for the licoriceness, brilliant. It's a great suggestion to make licorice wine. And I know a few of you have already started to make it. I hope you enjoy as much as I have enjoyed it. It's awesome. It's well worth making. I just love the colour. Considering as well when I started making the wine, it looked so dusty. All the dust from the licorice powder was everywhere. It was so thick and dense. I've only had to rack the wine twice to get to this quality. I haven't added any finings or clearing agents or anything whatsoever. It's just purely just dropped and left this wonderful glow, which is amazing. Anyway, happy April to you. I have a lot more planned for this month, a lot more wines to make, and it's also nettle season. Nettles are starting to grow and I have lots planned for various nettle wines and nettle beers. I can't wait. I love this time of year. Things are starting to shoot up and grow. The garden's looking empty, but then hey, that's a work in progress. So why don't you subscribe to us and be notified of all the other wines I'm going to be making this month. See you soon, have fun.